Let's quickly disconnect your Oculus Quest 2 headset from the smartphone application. Begin by opening the MetaQuest application on your mobile. Forget about investigating the interface. At the screen's base, locate Devices. It's critical for managing paired devices. Just click it. Now let's proceed to the next. So, you have the Devices section open. What's next? Now you'll see a list of paired devices. Find your Oculus Quest 2 headset among them and tap it. With that, you've selected your device. This is the device we'll be restoring to default settings. Ensure that it's the one. Now that you've selected your Oculus Quest 2 headset, we are halfway through the process. Next, let's move on to the important step of initiating the factory reset. Within the application, locate the Advanced Settings option. Once found, simply tap on it and you'll discover the Factory Reset option. Once spotted, select it. You're close to achieving your next. To seal the deal, confirm by tapping Reset. This single tap signifies you are ready to proceed. And there you have it. With that, you've initiated the factory reset. Remember, this will sever the link between your headset and the smartphone app. Understanding the implications of a factory reset is essential. Opting for this initiates a sequence that erases all content on your Oculus Quest 2. This brings your device back to its original settings and disconnects it from the smartphone app. This results in the permanent loss of data like games or photos, hence backup valuable data before proceeding. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to disconnecting your Oculus Quest 2 headset from the smartphone application. Remember to back up your data and you're good to go.